Question 24. This list PQRS, PQSR, PRQS, PRSQ can be continued to include all 24 possible arrangements of the four letters P, Q, R, and S. The arrangements are listed in alphabetical order. Which one of the following is the 19th in this list? So there's 24 possibilities for this question, characters P, Q, R, and S. And since there are four letters or four data, 24 divided by 4 equals 6. So each letter should have 6 possibilities or combinations. So because it's in alphabetical order, we have to start with P. It's going to be 6 P's. 6 Q's. And there's going to be 6 R's. And 6 S's. So now we have 6 P's, 6 Q's, and 6 R's. Add these together, we get 18. And now the 19th one has to be the first S. So the answer has to be alphabetical. So S P S P Q R is the answer because P Q R are alphabetical and S is at the front. The answer to this question is A. P S P Q R.